Okay, what's up? I'm gonna try to do this again. For some reason I couldn't get the video to upload, and then it just disappeared. Whatever. But anyways, I'm taking this video to show that I've got no sound, and even after install, something's buggy on it. I've got no sound on the enemy or opponent base. So let's go to settings. Get the music off so I can hear it. Sound effects is clearly on. Just while I'm here, let's look at my match history. Okay, so challenge battle, 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 not a challenge battle, challenge battle, not a challenge battle. But if you looked at my previous screenshots, they're all challenge battles, so these are the first two non-challenge battles I've got in weeks, which is a little discouraging since like they're so outmatched I cannot win. I know you're all saying get good and all this jazz, but that's just not the case. Anyways, this isn't my typical setup, but let's just go with it. Now listen carefully, because
warning, challenge battle initiated.
The sound, another challenge battle. The sound is there, but you can't hear it. Like it's so faint. You'd have to somehow shut everything else off to be able to notice. I won't build anything.
2, 1. New objective received.
Okay, 10 seconds in. They should have built something.
Building online.
So let's go look. They've built a harvester. Oh yeah, and jump jets.
Unit ready.
Let's go! Reporting. Where's the Yaga Master on the move? Rifleman Shockwave, itching for a fight.
Defense online.
Ready. Just point me towards the enemy. Shockwave moving. Rifleman, you got it. Shockwave double time.
Harvester ready.
Time to harvest. Where's the axe? Let's stick together.
Defense lost.
This guy's gonna keep trying.
Shock capacitors on the
Unit
move.
ready.
Let's go, troopers.
Building online.
Unit ready. Shockwave ready.
Defense online.
Let's stick together. Got the shockwave kicking it.
Unit lost. Unit ready.
Moving out. Where's the... Let's go, troopers.
Missile launched.
Yes, sir.
Defense lost. Unit ready.
Awaiting orders. Scouting.
Unit lost.
You can have them.
Unit ready.
Shockwave. Let's stick together.
Building online. Harvester lost. Harvester
Music to my ears. Wheels. You got it.
unit lost.
Reporting. Moving out.
Unit lost. Harvester ready.
Time to harvest.
Unit ready.
Titan weapons online. You got it. Scouting. Beam systems charged. Awaiting orders. I'm on it. Titan flashing. Select, don't stand a chance.
Unit ready.
Titan falling.
Unit lost. Unit lost. Unit ready.
Titan advancing.
Defense online.
Oh shit.
Launched.
Of course, it's in the way.
Major structural
I
damage.
couldn't get a hold of my little troopers over here because my fucking recording app is bullshit. Excuse my language.
Warning. Our base is under attack. Unit ready.
Squad here, sir.
Unit lost.
I'm not terribly outmatched, but I'm definitely outmatched.
Unit ready.
Taking the other side. Reinstalled. Reporting. Mission moving out. Infantry moving out. Leading up.
Unit lost.
Standing by.
Defense lost. Unit ready.
Taking sight. Titan falling.
Unit lost. Nuclear weapon
Yep.
launched.
Titans are unstoppable.
Our base has been destroyed.
Okay, but like you can tell there's no sound coming from their base at all. Like normally I know what to build, the first 2-3 things, but now I'm about done. I cannot lose medals. Well, I can't earn any either with all these challenge battles that are completely outmatched.